Hopefully it goes pretty soon, huh?
Alright, so now we're gonna ride the subway train here in this video to Terminal C as a early February edition. And yeah, we're just waiting to close right now. Hopefully, okay, good, we're closing up. And I do like the what they did to the train doors. Really put the 50th anniversary of the airport on this train.
Yeah, is that right?
Yeah. This airport opened in 1969.
Okay.
And yes, this terminal along with Terminal B,
Okay.
they were the original two terminals here at the airport that opened up.
Oh, yeah. So it's 50 years it's been open?
Yes. This train also was put in 1969 as well. But then in
Is that why it's so slow? Because it's old?
No. It had some upgrades over the years. Like this originally was called the terminal train when it first opened, and then until I believe 1981 this train was then renamed as the interterminal train.
Oh, okay.
This train used to be the interterminal train until 2015. The train was renamed the subway. And the Marriott Hotel's subway station was also added in 1981 as well.
Okay.
Terminal C opened that year, also in 1981. And Terminal D opened in 1990. Finally, Terminal E opened in 2002.
Oh, yeah.
And which is basically the time when this station closed. This used to be the surface parking area station, which I'm assuming it's been closed since 2002.
Right.
Yep. And also, when this airport first opened, the train also only went to terminals A and B.
Yeah.
All the other stations, the Marriott Hotel, C, and D and E, were added later on. And now we're about to arrive in Terminal B. Yep, we're in Terminal B.
Hold on. Your next stop will be the Marriott Hotel.
All right.
Usted se encuentra en la terminal B. Agarre la barranda de apoyo. Su próxima parada es en Hotel Marriott.
Whoa. And this train does make these vibrating noises.
It does, huh?
Yeah. It's been doing that ever since this train used to be the interterminal train.
Oh, okay.
Oh, geez. The train's already closing up.
Good.
Oh, but there's still people getting in the front, though.
Please stand clear of the doorway. When the doorway is clear, we will continue.
Okay, and the front door is already closing.
Por favor, manténgase a una distancia segura de la puerta.
Yeah. And those are the elevators here at Terminal B also. And those also the service closets also. And the other train's still resting. Because like I mentioned earlier, it does that because because the train has been going around in a really big circle. It's just resting until before going back to its first station, which like I said, the first station's Terminal A.
Yeah, because it's just kind of it's tired because it's 50 years old.
Yeah.
So take a break.
No, it's just like you said, it might time with some of the other trains.
Yeah, that's right.
But yeah, there's a directory map right here. Oh, now you can barely see a thing. Because it just went dark.
Now it's cruising, huh?
Yeah. This train. Yeah, because this train really feels just like a roller coaster.
Right.
Like I said it so many times. Oh, and there's the train over there. The other train's probably resting.
Yeah.
Usted se encuentra en el Hotel Marriott. Agarre
I'm pretty sure we might be resting here too.
Próxima parada es
I
la
hope not.
terminal C.
We could just go get a room and sleep for a while.
Oh my gosh, Dad, really?
I'll come back in a couple hours.
But anyways, now we're just about... It's cool music in here. Bless you. Okay, now we're closing up. Whoa. And of course, this train really does make a hiss sound when starting up here at the hotel.
Yeah.
It sounds exactly just like something you would hear on a bus.
Agarre la barranda de apoyo. Su próxima parada es la terminal.
Oh. Yep. And now we're coming up to one of these turns again. But the rest of this train ride is just a single file.
Yeah. I want to go get there.
We're almost there.
2 minutes?
We just left the hotel.
5 minutes?
They said the next stop is Terminal C. After the Marriott Hotel, it's Terminal C.
How many more minutes?
We'll be there in like a few seconds.
Oh, good.
See, we're already going fast right now. Well, sort of. I mean, not too fast. Nah, I take it back. We're going kind of fast. We're going fast right now. Yep. Here we are. I'm gonna go ahead and get up.
You are at Terminal C. Hold on to the handrails. Your next stop will be Terminal
Yep.
C.
Since this is our stop, I decided to get up.
En la terminal C. Agarre la barranda de apoyo. Su próxima parada es la terminal D y E.
Oh,
For your safety
whoa,
and the
it's a
safety of
rough
others,
stop.
the airport luggage
You're not
carts
getting off here, are you?
on the subway train system.
Oh, okay,
Please offload
okay.
your luggage.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Use the
Have a nice
pedestrian
day.
tunnel to continue to your destination.
Oh, thanks. You're welcome.
Para su seguridad y la
Now I'm gonna watch the
seguridad de
train leave.
Los avisos para equipaje del aeropuerto no se permiten en el sistema de tren Subway. Por favor, descargue su equipaje.
Okay, there it goes.
Para continuar a su destino.
Please stand clear of the doorway.
Yep.
When the doorway is clear, we will continue our trek.
Por favor, manténgase a una distancia segura.
Yep, and there goes the train.
Una vez la entrada esté
Sorry if it was not the best picture in the world because
Continúe
people were about to walk by and I did not want to get their faces on camera at all. But that's it.